Well, hello. This is the Polarin fan. We got this just a few days ago, but we pretty much like this because, well, it works pretty good on any place. And about, well, these fan thingies inside there spin pretty fast, and it's basically a box fan is what they call it. And yeah, the back basically is looking like this thingy right here, and all this, there's handles, you see the back of it. Don't let babies try to get their hand in there or their finger, because basically this fan pretty much is working pretty fine. We're gonna turn it on and see what it'll do. Ready? It's not that much loud, but if we turn it on to 2, not that much loud. 1, kind of a bit lower. And 3, you have to turn it to there for it to stop. And yeah, there you go.